In this tutorial, you will learn how to insert error bar of standard deviation on line graph. You can see here I have inserted these custom error bars on this line graph, and I have generated this graph using this research data. Here is the output of my research. I have determined the effect of temperature on vitamin D retention, and there are two temperatures which are 20 degrees centigrade and 40 degrees centigrade, and I have conducted this analysis 3 times. For example, at 20 degrees centigrade, you can see here I have conducted trial 1, trial 2 and trial 3. Similarly, on 40 degrees centigrade, I have conducted trial 1, 2, 2, 2 and 3, 2. You can also rename it as trial 1, 2 or 3. So let's start this tutorial. Firstly, you can see here that I have pasted the data from previous sheet. Now you have to calculate these values. For example, first column is the average of at 20 degrees centigrade. This is the average of these 3 trials. Then we calculate the average at 40 degrees centigrade. This is the average of these 3 trials. Then we calculate the standard deviation at 20 degrees centigrade and the standard deviation of these 3 trials, and standard deviation at 40 degrees centigrade, the standard deviation of these. So let's start this tutorial. Firstly, click on this cell, put equal sign and write average. You can see here option appear here. Double click on it and select the range. These are the 3 cells, and click on enter button. Now you can see here it has calculated the average. Now click on again this cell, and when plus sign appear, drag it. Excel will automatically calculate the average of remaining rows. Next, perform similar step for this one. Put equal sign, write average, double click on it, and now we will select the average at this one 40 degrees centigrade. These 3 trials, click enter and drag it to apply formula on remaining cells. Now we will calculate the standard deviation of the trials which are conducted at 20 degrees centigrade. Put equal sign, write standard deviation and double click on it and select the result at 20 degrees centigrade. Press enter and apply the formula on remaining one. Similarly, calculate these values. Write standard deviation, double click, select the range on 40 degrees centigrade, press enter sign and again calculate by dragging this one. Now we have calculated the average values as well as standard deviation value. So next step is to create graph. There are 2 methods. You can also select this one and by holding control key select this one, or you can copy paste at a separate place. I will copy it at a separate place for your convenience. Copy it. You can see here I have copied without title. Paste it here. And now copy this one. Click here, and here you will copy values. Now I will select these one to adjust their decimal places. Now that's fine. You can put degree centigrade sign here. Now we will generate the graph. Select average values at 20 degrees centigrade and 40 degrees centigrade along with storage days. Go to insert, and from here you can insert the line graph either with marker or without marker. I will place this graph here because later on we will use this standard deviation values. Now you can see here the minimum value is about 30. Select this one, right click, format axis, and here I will select minimum value 30. I will not explain the formatting of this graph in detail because I have already uploaded separate videos on this. You can watch if you are interested in the conditional formatting of this graph. That's fine now. Now select this one. You can see here I have selected the markers. The whole series of markers are selected now, and it is the average at 20 degrees centigrade. Go to this design option, and in design option you will find the option of add chart element. Click on this down arrow. You will find the option of error bars, and in error bars there is the option of more error bar options. Click on it. Now you have to select different option. Firstly, you have to select direction. I want to insert the error bar like this one, which have both minus as well as plus. If you want to insert only minus or plus, you can choose these options. Next is the end style. Either you want to insert these error bars with cap or without cap. I have selected with cap. Now scroll down, and in error amount you will select custom. Click on it, and again click on this specify values. You will find two options, positive error values and negative error values. Clear existing entries and select this standard deviation. Because we have selected this average at 20 degrees centigrade, so we will select the standard deviation at 20 degrees centigrade. Select this one. Similarly, remove the already data from negative error values. Remove this one and select again these standard deviation values. Click on OK. Now you can go to fill and line option and adjust the width of these error bars, and that's done. Now you have entered the error bars on one data series, which is the 20 degrees centigrade. Now I want to insert these error bars on this data series, which is the 40 degrees centigrade. Now click on any marker on 40 degrees centigrade and follow the similar step. Go to chart element, and in error bars go to more error bar options, and I have already explained this one. Scroll down and click on customs, and again click on specify values. Remove this one and select standard deviation values at 40 degrees centigrade. Then again follow similar step for negative error values. Click on OK, and from here you can adjust the width. You can even change the color of these error bars using fill and line option. For example, if you right click on it, format error bars, and in fill and line option, if you want to change this color to green one, now you can see here that their color is changed. So there are plenty of options you can use for this purpose. So if you are interested the formatting of this graph like this one, then you can watch my other videos on line graph. So that's the end of this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then like this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting and